This is my market recap 1/6/2025. Today was an interesting day. No trade took in, so let's go over everything with that win that we everything in today's market, right? What happened now? It's 2 p.m. It's 3 p.m. actually, not 2 p.m. It's 3 p.m. at the current moment, and candle's about to end right here. The next 2 hours, the candle's gonna end, right? So it's a good time to do the market recap, right? On the weekly, we had a weekly ERL to IRL, weekly, nothing else, right? Daily ERL to IRL, right? You can see daily ERL to IRL. But it's daily ERL to IRL right over here, right? This IRL got disrespected, so I want this IRL get disrespected. We're going to the high, or basically to the ERL that creates this to the ERL that creates this fair value gap, right? So which is gonna be right over here. That's why I was going for this as well, right? Why did I care about this fair value gap? Market go from ERL, right? Yeah, markets go from a ERL to IRL, not couple IRLs gonna go to one IR, right? And this is the current IRL that's relevant to the market price. What we talking about, right? So this one got respected, so we're going to the high that crazy, right? That's what I had for the day. And what else we had here? Nothing else on the daily time frame. 4 hour. We had daily percent profile near continuation. We had a order flow was bullish. That was pretty much it, right? Why was I looking for longs and not shorts here? The simple reason is because the weekly time frame is up, daily time frame is looking like it's gonna go up, and the reason why the market ranged a little bit here during New York session, why did it range? You guys probably wondering why did it range? Why did it not make a bigger move, bro? Look what the market did the whole day, bro. You expanded out the whole day, so New York is likely gonna be ranging, right? It did make a move, but the move did not meet the objective, right? So that means market is likely to range, right? You can see market tapped the breakup block of the 4 hour time frame, and just ranged right afterward. You can see it ranging right over here. You could probably have another range candle as well. And you guys are wondering, how can we avoid this, and how do we not gonna be likely of a range? Huge expansion happened, right? Today was a huge expansion, right? This was over what, like 30 pips, I think 100 pips. I don't even know. Yeah, 139 pips. That's a huge move, right? So that's why during the thing I was thinking about, it's probably gonna be a range. It's probably not gonna be a big move because market did a big move, right? Market is like this is called a intraday probability, right? Intraday market probability. So which is when the market has a big move, usually the next session will cool off, right? In this case, London session did a big ass move. Same with the 5 a.m. candle did a big ass move. So that means the next candle is probably gonna. It's probably the 9 a.m. candle probably gonna likely to just do a little bit of retracement and just range off, right? You can see open, low, high, close, right? To make the reset of the candle, right? So yeah, our bias for today was correct. No entries. A lot of people were selling. A lot of people were selling as well today because they saw there was a range high right over here to the downside, right? People saw that as well. To me, I don't see the range. I see this like this candle to this candle as a range, right? Because that's relevant to the market price at the moment, right? But that right over there is why some people took for sales, but I look for longs, right? And our boss was correct, Yeah, that's that. And we gotta be resilience, right? We gotta be focused on what our bias says, on what I'm looking at, right? So let's just say you guys are watching, right? And other people might have their own bias, right? So let's just say I'm looking for long, they have my shirt, right? I can't be like, oh, don't look for short, right? Neither can you guys tell us, somebody else, oh, don't look for long because of this or because of that, right? Have self resilience, have self, saying respect, saying respect your own bias. Eventually, once you lose or win, or you're right or wrong, right? Use that bias. Eventually, find out why you don't want. Find out what happened, right? See how can you improve, right? Don't be like, oh, this guy botches bears. Let me go look for bears as well, right? Or this guy botches bulls. Let me go look for bulls as well, right? Don't scratch off your bias. Get your own bias and learn from your own bias, right? See what happened. See what you did wrong. How can you improve? How can you look at me? How you can look for somebody else and improve from there? And how can you get advice, right? Same thing goes to me, right? My boss was correct on the day because we had a deliberation profile near continuation. This 5 a.m. candle was considered a near continuation right over here, right? And yeah, And my entry, the reason I never had an entry because he 5 minute. I was looking for his 5 minute CISD, which I never had right over here, right? And this was the other CISD. It's currently performing right now, right? It's currently has not hit stop loss yet, right? But I don't like CISD like this. I like CISD like which is like this, right? I like the bigger one that actually purchases the liquidity, right? I don't like the CISD like this one, right? This one is still kind of valid, but the lower is a lower probability of a CISD, right? That's why you guys want to be careful when you guys do this. Take the higher probability as well, right? So this is a market recap of 1/6/2024, right? 2025. I mean, yeah, Boz was correct. Everything was correct. It's just that no trade took in. It was a low probability day as well because market did a huge move, right? In our our setup got disrespected because he did a total bodysuit, right? The setup still got respected, right? But the model one was here, which was the confirmation to this total bodysuit, right? But the total bodysuit, this should have been the real confirmation right over here, right? So there's gonna be a lower probability of a confirmation. But whoever takes it, takes it. This should be probably in right now, and not it should be in profits, but no TB got hit yet, right? But yeah, this is my market recap. Nothing big happened. It was just a raging day because of this big move happened to the upside, right? So big, expansion day happened. Likely next session is probably gonna likely be I'm saying a reset, right? Like a ranging profile. But yeah, this is my market recap of 1/6/2025. Thank you for watching. Go on Discord if you haven't. Join the family. Like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever. Share. One of my videos gonna do. I don't know how to do this algorithm YouTube shit.